One of the newest and most popular DIY projects is the plunge pool. This is a versatile water vessel that can also be used as an exercise pool, cocktail pool, and even a swim spa. A plunge pool can come in any size or shape, but generally they are around 10 foot by 10 foot square. They can also be rectangular, round, or freestyle shape. They can be built in-ground, partially in-ground, or built above ground. Here is a basic above-ground plunge pool built by Custom Built Spa's customer, Debbie W., in North Carolina. This plunge pool is about as basic as you can get. The pool is 10 foot by 10 foot by 3 foot 6 inches deep, no frills. Cost to Debbie was just under $6,700 when fully completed. However, this project added over $13,500 in equity to her beach home on the Outer Banks of North Carolina. Ken G., along with his sons at his home in Florida, built this really nice combination spa, swim spa, plunge pool. This unit is partially in-ground, unheated, and 42 inches deep. No rules on size or shape for this type projects. As a Custom Built Spa's customer, you can get free coaching help from start to finish on your spa, hot tub, swim spa, or plunge pool project. Custom Built Spas offers customers a highly detailed package of information with easy-to-follow step-by-step instructions. Custom Built Spas can also provide all the equipment you need for your project delivered right to your door. Visit www.custombuiltspas.com today.